Hello everyone and welcome to your 17th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Advanced Animation. In this tutorial, we will learn about all these properties over here in order to create our montage animation even more likely and dynamic. So let's start. As you already know, we animated the scale of the images in the last tutorial. In the first two images, we animated it to get from low size to high size. Now let's set this penguin's image to animate from high size to low size. So let's just get the current time indicator to the start, click on the stopwatch, get it to 115, move the current time indicator to the last, and then get it to 100. Now let's check out the animation. As you can see, the images where we have animated them, they looked much better than the still images or the still montage animation. So let's animate the rest images also. Now left click on the lighthouse.jpg and its properties will open up in the effect controls. Move the current time indicator or the CTI to the start. Go to effects motion and let's see the other properties over here. The first is the position. You can change this to change the position of the image. Now since the image is not appeared in our preview, let's just move the time still ahead. We can see the lighthouse. Now if we change the position, we can see it is changing its position. This is the X position and this is the Y position of the image. So let's animate this. Let's increase its size a bit so that it covers the edges. Move it up. We move our current time indicator to the start. Hit the stopwatch on position. Move the CTI to the last. And then bring that image down. Since you can't see that image, you can just go back a little and check it out. Now let's apply some animation to this koala image also. As you can see, third property over here is rotation. Rotation, as you can see by its name, refers to the rotation of the image over here. Now let's get it back to 0 for now. Let's increase its scale a bit. Move the CTI to the initial position. Give the rotation as 5 degrees. Hit the stopwatch to create the keyframe. Go to the last. Get the rotation as -5 degrees. And now let's check out our animation. Now let's animate the jellyfish. In the same way, increase its scale a bit. Go to the start. Get this at -5 degrees. Hit the stopwatch. Go to the last 5 degrees and let's check it out. on the still images. Thank you for watching.